In this video, I'll show you 10 hidden ElevenLabs tips and tricks in 2026 that power users quietly use to create better AI voices faster. These aren't secret features, but they're often overlooked by beginners. So let's jump in. For tip number 1, choose the right voice for your content. A documentary voice won't sound natural for a podcast, and a conversational voice may not fit to an audiobook. Tip number 2 for the text-to-speech. Make sure you use a punctuation strategically. Commas, periods, and ellipses help control pauses and pacing without editing the audio afterward. Tip number 3, experiment with different speech models. Some models prioritize speed while others produces more expressive and natural narration. Tip number 4, save your favorite voices instead of searching for the voice library every time. Tip number 5, preview a short sections before generating an entire script. This saves both time and character usage. Tip number 6, if a word is mispronounced, try rewriting it phonetically or adjusting punctuation rather than regenerating the same text repeatedly. Tip number 7, use AI dubbing if you're creating a content for multiple languages instead of recording each version yourself. Tip number 8, explore the voice library regularly because new community voices are added frequently, giving you more options for different voices. Tip number 8, explore the voice library regularly. New community voices are added frequently, giving you more options for a different projects. Tip number 9, if you're a developer, use the 11 API to automate voice generation instead of manually creating every file. And tip number 10, always generate a short sample before producing a long narrations. A quick preview can catch pronunciation or pacing issues before you spend more credits. So these small habits may seem simple, but together they can improve your workflow, reduce wasted credits, and help your AI voices sound much more professional. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.